Don't wait for tomorrow. You pick the place. Let's go. Let's travel the world.
Okay, we were going to discuss about the important changes to Polish law. I'd like to inform you about the very important changes to Polish law. I can see a lot of misguidance coming from the agencies and non-lawyers trying to provide legal service in Poland. Most of them are completely wrong. So this statement came from my lawyer. He happened to be legal and legit immigration lawyer here in Szczecin and in Poland. So it's like that. So all the knowledge about the law I've known from him. Okay, so this is the most important one. Starting from June 1, it will no longer be possible to apply for a working-based TRC in Poland if you are holding a TRC or a visa from other Schengen country. For example, Hungary, Croatia, Romania, Malta, Bulgaria, Portugal, and others. So these are the list. Those are the list. This is just only the example. So from June 1, Poland will no longer accept those holding TRC from this country to convert to work. This is one of the most important reminders for you guys. So I will do this in Tagalog. So starting from June 1, 2025, yung mga may TRC from the other country or may mga visa from the other country like Croatia, Hungary, Bulgaria, and other Schengen countries, hindi na pwedeng mag-apply ng TRC under working base. So this is the changes na malaking pagbabago. It's very important. But for all the people that will apply before June 1, it is still possible to apply for working-based TRC. They will remain the old rules. Okay, before June 1, pwede pang mabigyan ng TRC under the work-based pag nag-apply dito sa Poland before June 1. Deadline is May 20 to May 29 or May 30, 31, something like that. After June 1, hindi na pwede. Before June 1, pwede pa. After, no. So, who wants to apply for the work-based TRC in Poland, they will not allow this unless you will marry some Polish citizen or you're studying here or I don't know, some different based na pwede nyo pag-applyan ng TRC, but work-based TRC, not anymore after June 1. If you are holding Schengen country visa and TRC, like Croatia, Hungary, Bulgaria, Slovakia, Czech Republic, and so on and so forth. So it's the rules in not only in Poland, it's all over the Schengen country and EU neighboring countries. So this is really true. I was saying this long time ago in my blog already na magbabago yung batas. So it's happening now. So really the law is changing and it's really scary. So yun lang. If you want to work in Poland and you're from Hungary or the other Schengen country, you must do this before June 1. If you want to apply new TRC application, you must do this before June 1. After June 1, no more. So it's finished. That's it. So that's the law that we need to follow. Not only in Poland, also in other countries, Schengen countries. So